Welcome to 129 Iroquois Circle, a beautiful property that is a perfect blend of modern living and natural beauty.
This property is situated on 1 full acre and includes many beautiful updates both inside and out, as well as a luxurious, heated 16 by 40 saltwater pool. Nestled in a picturesque setting surrounded by beautiful farmland, this home provides a tranquil retreat while still being conveniently located. It's only a 5-minute drive to the historic downtown square of Russellville, a 30-minute drive to Bowling Green, and just 45 minutes to Clarksville or Nashville, Tennessee.
Over the past 5 years, significant improvements have been made, including a new roof, HVAC system, septic lines, water heater, windows, and exterior doors, just to name a few.
Don't miss the opportunity to experience this exceptional property. Contact us today to schedule your personal tour and discover all that 129 Iroquois Circle has to offer.
Picture yourself starting your mornings with a cup of coffee, poolside, or winding down with a refreshing evening swim. The back courtyard is ideal for entertaining, whether you're hosting a barbecue for family and friends or simply enjoying a sunset. Here, outdoor living is more than an option, it is a way of life.